Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a server monitoring system with New Relic step by step clearly. To begin, log into your New Relic account. If you don't have an account, create one at newrelic.com. Once logged in, navigate to the New Relic dashboard. From the dashboard, select the infrastructure option from the top menu. Click on the Add Your First Server button. You will see instructions to install the New Relic infrastructure agent. Choose the relevant installation method for your server's operating system. For Linux, you will typically use terminal. Follow the commands displayed on the New Relic site to install the agent. For Windows systems, download the installation package provided. Run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, locate the configuration file for the New Relic agent. In this file, add your New Relic license key, which can be found in your account settings. Save the configuration file and restart the New Relic agent. To verify that the installation was successful, check the New Relic dashboard for server data. You should start seeing metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, and disk I/O. Next, you may want to set up alerts for specific thresholds. Navigate to the Alerts and AI section from the top menu. Create a new alert policy by clicking on the New Alert Policy button. Define conditions that will trigger the alerts based on your monitoring needs. Select the notification channels you want to use for alerts. These can include email, Slack, or other integrations. Once configured, save your alert policy. Now, let's enable APM, or Application Performance Monitoring, if applicable. From the New Relic dashboard, select APM from the menu. Follow similar steps to set up APM for your desired applications. Install the necessary APM agents according to the documentation provided. Make sure your applications are reporting data back to New Relic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.